Hello guys, in this video we will download and install Visual Studio Code. Open the Google and type Visual Studio Code. Open first page code.visualstudio.com and click to the download for your operation system. I am using Windows, I will click here. If you are using another operation system, click to the arrow and choose the represent one. Download installation file is started. Click to the installation file and let's start. We have to accept the agreement. In this step, we can choose the place where we want to install Visual Studio Code. You can leave the default one or choose the place that you want. I will leave the default place. Click to the next, and also we have here options which will make more comfortable our work. Create a desktop icon, and also we will have possibility by right clicking to the file, open it with the code editor, which is comfortable. Okay, by clicking to finish, the program will automatically run. Probably you will have a blank screen. To open a project in Visual Studio Code, you have to click to the open folder and choose your project folder. So in my case, it is in CDisk, XAMPP, and htdocs wizard. Click to the select folder on your project and you will have the same. So you can easily manage your files in the code editor using highlighting, debugging, and other features. Also, if you will do changes, it will not automatically save. As we can see, it shows that it's not saved yet file. And to not every time go to the file and click to the save, we can enable autosave function, which will automatically save any change. If I will remove this line too, it will automatically change and it will save. Thanks for the watching. We just successfully installed Visual Studio Code for operation system Windows 11.